Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on database management system of how to install MySQL on our Windows system. So as you can see, my setup is ready, so I'll simply double click on it. Now I'll simply select next. I'll select the license agreement. If you want, you can read it. I'll simply click on next. Now here three options will come: typical, custom and complete. We'll select complete as I want all the features to be installed for my SQL. So I'll click on install. So this is the first process which we have to complete, then we'll follow with second one. So simply click on finish and first process is done. Now we'll continue with the second one. So this is the second setup which we have to complete. Now simply click on next, choose detailed configuration, click on next, select developer machine itself, next, multifunctional database, next, the path you can change if you want. I'm giving C, so you can select decision support, next, then the port should be 3306 itself, then you can select standard character set. Then here you need to include your directory, bin directory as well, because we'll be running all our queries in command prompt only. So simply click on next. Then here you need to give password, because every time when you open it will ask for some password. So I have given password should be same. So simply click on next and click on execute. All four configurations should get executed, then only our setup will complete. So it will take some time. Okay, third one is done. Now it will check for fourth one. Okay, everything is done. We'll simply click on finish. Our setup is ready. Now I'll simply open it and show it to you. Okay, you can see MySQL 5.5 command line. Simply click on it. Yeah, it will ask for password. So put the password and yeah, it's ready. So I hope you guys understood how to install MySQL on your system. Thank you for watching.